Hi lovely friends. Today, I'll show you 3 or 4 easy ways to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on iPhone in 2025. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. So first go to your iPhone settings. Scroll down and find the Apps option. Apps setting shows all the applications installed on your iPhone. From here, you can manage app permissions, storage usage, and other individual app settings. Now find WhatsApp in the list and tap on it. Then go to Notifications. Make sure all the toggles are turned on. If it still doesn't work, try the next step. Now open WhatsApp. At the top or bottom, you'll see 3 dots for settings. Press on them. Then go to Settings. Here you'll see a Notifications option. Enter on that. Again, make sure all the toggles are turned on here as well. If it still doesn't work, go to the Message Notification section and press on Notification Tone. Try selecting a new tone. If this solved your problem, make sure to type yes in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.